Come with me as I take on the challenge of finding the best luxury safari experiences that won't break the bank. The ultimate getaway for those seeking adventure, exclusivity, and unparalleled wildlife experiences. But let's face it, we've all been led to believe that luxury and safari go hand in hand with a hefty price tag. I mean, who hasn't dreamed of waking up in a lavish tent, surrounded by the sights and sounds of the African savannah, only to be deterred by the cost? The truth is, luxury safaris have long been associated with exclusivity and high costs, making them seem like a privilege reserved for the wealthy. The thing is, when trying to plan a luxury safari on a budget, travelers often hit a roadblock. The high costs and limited availability of luxury safari options can be overwhelming. Many are forced to choose between sacrificing luxury or blowing their budget. And then there are those who try to cut costs, only to end up in a subpar experience that feels more like a glorified camping trip than the luxury adventure they were hoping for. It's no wonder that many potential safari goers assume that luxury and affordability are mutually exclusive. As a result, they're left wondering if it's even possible to have a luxurious safari experience without breaking the bank. So what if I told you that there are ways to experience the luxury of a safari without draining your bank account? For starters, consider exploring lesser-known destinations like Rwanda or Uganda, which offer a more affordable and exclusive safari experience. Traveling during the off-season can also help you save big on accommodations and tours. And then there are unique accommodations like luxury tented camps or eco-lodges that provide a premium feel without the premium price tag. These hidden gems can offer a luxurious experience at a fraction of the cost. After scouring the market and considering various options, I've narrowed it down to my top 3 luxury safari experiences that offer exceptional value for money. First up, we have the Mahali Mazuri Safari Camp in Kenya, which offers luxurious tented accommodations and world-class game drives at a relatively affordable price. Then there's the Singita Ebony Lodge in South Africa, which boasts stunning views, gourmet dining and exceptional service. Last but not least, we have the Tuli Safari Lodge in Botswana, which offers a unique blend of luxury and adventure. What makes each of these experiences special is the attention to detail, exceptional service, and unparalleled wildlife experiences they offer. To sum it up, luxury and affordability don't have to be mutually exclusive when it comes to safari experiences. With a little creativity and research, you can have the luxury safari of your dreams without breaking the bank. By considering off-the-beaten-path destinations, traveling during the off-season and opting for unique accommodations, you can enjoy a luxurious safari experience at a fraction of the cost. If you've had a similar experience or have tips to share, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Or if you're looking for more travel tips and budget-friendly adventures, be sure to check out my next video for more exciting content.